The internet has opened up a world of possibilities, and one of the most exciting is the ability to make money online. Blogging stands out as a popular and potentially lucrative option. A blog allows you to share your passions, connect with like-minded individuals, and generate income. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to earn extra cash, blogging is flexible and accessible. Unlike a traditional job, blogging lets you be your own boss and work from anywhere. The beauty of blogging lies in its simplicity. You don't need to be a technical wizard to get started. Just have a passion, a willingness to learn, and dedication to create valuable content. From affiliate marketing to digital product creation, we'll explore ways to turn your blog into a profitable business. Affiliate marketing is like recommending your favorite restaurant to a friend. You're sharing something you love, and if your friend tries it out based on your recommendation, you get a small reward. In the blogging world, that reward comes in the form of a commission. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program related to your blog's niche. Let's say you have a blog about sustainable living. You could partner with companies that sell eco-friendly products. You then incorporate special links to those products within your blog posts or on your website. When a reader clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's a win-win situation. Your readers discover products they'll love, the company makes a sale, and you earn a commission for facilitating the connection. The key to successful affiliate marketing is authenticity. Don't just promote any product that comes your way. Focus on products and services that you genuinely believe in, and that align with your blog's values. Your readers will appreciate your honesty and be more likely to trust your recommendations. Before monetizing your blog, create content people want to read. Think of your blog posts as the foundation of your online empire. If the foundation is weak, the entire structure will crumble. Good content is valuable, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Informative, entertaining, or inspiring content keeps readers engaged and loyal. Understand your audience's needs to create high-quality content. What are their pain points and questions? Tailor your content to provide real value. Experiment with different content formats. Videos, infographics, podcasts, and more can enhance your blog. Find what resonates best with your audience and stick with it. Section 4. Advertising revenue. A steady stream of income. Once your blog starts gaining traction and attracting a steady stream of visitors, you can start monetizing your traffic through advertising. Just like traditional media outlets, bloggers can generate revenue by displaying ads on their websites. There are various ad networks available to bloggers, with Google AdSense being one of the most popular. These networks connect bloggers with advertisers looking to reach their target audience. When someone clicks on an ad displayed on your blog, you earn a small fee. While advertising can provide a passive income stream, it's important to strike a balance between monetization and user experience. Too many ads can clutter your site, annoy your readers, and ultimately drive them away. Carefully consider the placement, size, and format of your ads to ensure they don't detract from your content. Section 5. Digital products. Your expertise, packaged and sold. One of the most lucrative ways to monetize your blog is by creating and selling your own digital products. This could include anything from ebooks and online courses to templates, printables, and software. The key is to leverage your expertise and create products that solve your audience's problems or fulfill their needs. For example, if you have a blog about photography, you could create an ebook on mastering composition or an online course on editing photos like a pro. If you're a financial advisor, you could create budget templates or investment guides. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold infinitely, generating passive income for months or even years to come. Plus, you have complete control over the pricing, marketing, and delivery of your products. Section 6. Email marketing. Building a loyal community. Email marketing might seem a bit old school in today's world of social media, but it remains one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, build relationships, and ultimately, drive revenue. By building an email list, you're creating a direct line of communication with your most engaged followers. Encourage your blog visitors to subscribe to your email list by offering a valuable lead magnet, such as a free ebook, checklist, or discount code. Once you have a sizable list, You can start sending out regular newsletters, promotional emails, and updates about your latest blog posts. The key to successful email marketing is to provide value with every email you send. Don't just bombard your subscribers with sales pitches. Instead, focus on building relationships, sharing valuable content, and establishing yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Section 7. Conclusion: Your blogging journey to financial freedom. Starting a blog can be an incredibly rewarding experience, both personally and financially. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to turning your passion into profit. Remember, success in blogging, like any other endeavor, requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Building a profitable blog takes time, effort, and consistency. Focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your blog through various channels. With perseverance and a strategic approach, you can achieve your blogging goals and unlock the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. So what are you waiting for? Start your blogging journey today.